Good evening, guys. So it's our 16th day, and all of us are present here, except Siddhant, who has moved to his hometown. And unfortunately, at the last moment, he got to note that his train ticket didn't got confirmed. So he has no options. So he chose to go via bus. So today from Trichy to Pune, he is going via bus. It's a very big tour. So I have told him to send their clips. If he would be sending clips, then I would be attaching that clip into this blog. So you would be knowing that how such a long bus travel looks like. So I will be showing you all my friends, our trainers, sir, who didn't featured, who were not present for many days in our blog. Now today he is present. Do you want to say something? No. Say anything. What are the things that you taught today?
Aditya mainly did the leg workout, back workout, and you also did the same. You attempted squat for the first time.
Yeah, it was a new thing for me.
Next time we will add like 20-30 kg. It will also be easy. You can do 2-3 times easy.
Yes, sure. I will be increasing it. So here comes our star boy. So what are the things you have done?
I did everything with my trainer,
like
what he suggested.
Okay.
All the
Can you explain your diet to our viewers? What are the diets you are taking? Currently, what are you taking? Can you show?
No.
What is in it? Electrolyte. He is taking electrolyte. And what are the other things that you are taking as a diet? Huh?
I take some eggs.
You don't want to reveal?
Introvert.
You don't want to reveal?
Eggs, oats, sattu,
Guys, he will be revealing his diet only if he gains some muscles. Now here comes Divakar. He has sweated a lot today. You can see him.
I was doing a wrong exercise. It comes under the category of deadlift, but our trainer told me not to do that because you are beginner.
Which exercise he flagged as not good?
That the side one in which we keep to 20-25 kg of weight and
Oh,
pull up this.
okay.
He told me not to do that because we are beginner now. So I skipped that today and I regularly doing as it is.
Okay.
Like every day.
Anything you tried for once, like new thing?
From yesterday I am trying that mountain climbing. Siddhant suggested me mountain climbing from yesterday.
Okay. What is mountain climbing?
It is like this. What I'm doing like
He will show you. Oh,
this.
okay. I will also try it. So guys, suggest me something. I mean, suggest some exercises if you know, which can reduce our belly fat. Huh?
Quote of the day.
Oh, quote of the sorry, we missed it. Quote of the where is quote of the day?
I don't know, guys.
Hey, prepare it right now. Now guys, here comes the quote of the day.
Yeah.
Recite it.
So, guys, the quote of the day is: life has no remote. Get up and change it yourself.
What does it mean? He was not prepared for that. Sorry guys. Bye.
Hello guys, as we are not able to go gym today because I am going somewhere out, as these guys request me to make some video for posting, that's why I am making. Currently I am in Bangalore. So hello guys, we are in the Bangalore and we are going to Pune for some urgent work, and guess who got here for us? Hey people, hey, the OGCR! What's up? The OGCR is here! He come to drop me in the bus. Good guy, bro. See you!
भाई इतने दिनों बाद कैसे आए आप?
बस देखने आए सही कर रहे हैं कि नहीं।
फॉर्म बताइए कैसी है?
तो अब सीख रहे हैं।
हमारा पीआर हमारी ब्रांच का
लिए नहीं है पेज यूनिक स्पॉट ब्रो स्पॉटा दे 20 के लिए
ये कितना है?
मोहित भाई 100-200 किलो उठा के दिखा दो।
नहीं 100-200 किलो मेरे बस की बात नहीं है भाई। ये लोग इनको उठवाओ, ये क्या ये एक डंडा उठवा रहे हैं
ए लगाओ ये, अब मेरा ईगो हर्ट हो गया भाई। लगाओ, आज ये उठेगा। लगा ट्रेनर लगा ट्रेनर भाई चो बोलिए। हाँ हाँ
ये जो डंडे चार नहीं उठते
नहीं उठेगा भाई।
आज किसी की मृत्यु
आज अब कोई लोग खेला करेगा।
जेफरी आज कैसे यहाँ पे?
बस इनको देखने आए थे कि ट्रेनिंग कैसी चल रही है इन लोगों की।
बक्सोदी
फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर दे विल आल्सो जॉइन आवर जिम पेड मेंबर है ना।
पेज मेंबर की ऐसी बॉडी है।
वो करेंगे।
आँख में ना मार दूँगा।
वो खुद अपनी करने लगे एक्सरसाइज शुरू। मोहित भाई इतने दिनों बाद देख के खुशी हुई यार आपको?
मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई यहाँ आके।
रोज आओ ना।
करता हूँ कोशिश में आने की।
कुछ वो है मतलब कि यहाँ मसल चेंज करनी है किसमें फोकस आएगा। एक हाथ से करो, एक हाथ से चश्मा में कूद जाए। हाथ छोटे हैं ना अभिषेक के, हाथ छोटे हैं ना ये कहाँ पकड़ रहा है ये यहाँ यहाँ ऐसे
ये पहले ये करन के फिर फंसा लेगा तो बचा होगा।
जब पीछे लाके
या ये हुई ना यूपी वाली पावर।
अब इधर से कैसे होगा?
इधर इधर से हाँ हाँ हाँ
ये हो गया।
चल बना बना